Hello, today we want to show you our new folding table base TF441.
The folding table allows space-saving storage in the parking position. Its casters allow it to be positioned anywhere in the room on both hard floors and carpet. Operate the lever to fold down the tabletop. To set it up, pull the lever in the same way. The folding table is certified according to DIN 527-2 and has an integrated anti-tip device, which prevents the unintentional folding of the tabletop when folded up. Only by operating the lever can the anti-tip device be overcome and the tabletop folded down. The TF441 impresses with its modern design with black powder-coated tie bars and feet in stainless steel look. Both the vertical and horizontal tie bars are equipped with an anti-twist device to prevent the tie bars from twisting during or after assembly. To link multiple tables together in their final position, tabletop connectors can be screwed to the underside of the tabletop. The hook part can then be easily rotated into the closing part without looking. The new folding table TF441 on casters allows tables to be arranged flexibly and very easily, and impresses the competition with its very good price-performance ratio.